physicists at CERN are now grappling with a set of puzzling readings emerging from their latest high-energy collision experiments. What began as a standard data run at the Large Hadron Collider has evolved into a mystery that even the most experienced researchers are struggling to interpret. Across multiple detectors and independent runs, teams have begun detecting consistent, unexplained patterns, signatures that do not fit within the well-tested framework of the standard model of particle physics. These deviations, buried deep in the collider's data streams, seem to defy both classical predictions and established quantum field equations. Though unofficial, some scientists have started referring to the phenomenon as a tachyonic rift, a phrase not recognized in formal literature but used informally to describe these strange and persistent anomalies. The origin of this idea traces back to the collider's most recent series of ultra-high energy collisions conducted in CERN's underground ring just weeks ago. During these record-breaking events, detectors such as ATLAS and CMS recorded a rising number of unusual fluctuations, subtle, repeating irregularities that could not be traced to equipment malfunction or calibration drift. According to Dr. Laura Chen, who leads CERN's quantum geometry initiative, some particle trajectories appeared to interact with something unseen, as though brushing against an invisible layer embedded within the structure of spacetime itself. She suggests the disturbances may point to a hidden dimension or a previously unrecognized topological feature of the quantum vacuum. What has scientists especially intrigued is the consistency of the effect. These disruptions manifest independently across different detectors, energies, and timeframes, ruling out random noise. One particularly striking signature involves synchronized phase breaks in quantum symmetry, where particles momentarily diverge from expected physical laws in multiple instruments at once. If verified, such behavior could hint that spacetime, under extreme conditions, might be subject to structural distortions, subtle ripples or shifts in its underlying geometry. The concept of a tachyonic field offers one possible explanation. In theoretical physics, a tachyonic field represents a region of instability, a state where particles possess an imaginary mass that drives spontaneous transitions. It's a mathematical phenomenon thought to have played a role in the early universe, much like how the Higgs field triggered symmetry breaking after the Big Bang. Now, patterns within CERN's data appear eerily similar to what a tachyonic instability might produce under controlled high-energy conditions, brief but measurable distortions in the quantum fabric of reality. Skeptics point out that the history of particle physics is full of false alarms. In 2011, for instance, the Opera experiment famously suggested faster-than-light neutrinos, later traced to a faulty cable connection. But this time, the anomalies have been reproduced repeatedly, across different experiments and detectors, leaving fewer possibilities for simple human error. Dr. Aisha Rahman of Cambridge University noted, "These signatures are too systematic, too well correlated across independent systems to dismiss as coincidence." Still, some experts remain cautious. Dr. Miles Sarakin, a veteran detector physicist, argues the patterns might stem from emergent computational artifacts, complex byproducts of the collider's vast data processing network. His team continues running simulations to determine whether known physical effects could mimic what's being observed. So far, nothing matches. If the anomaly does correspond to a new form of quantum interaction or an unrecognized aspect of the vacuum field, it could represent a breakthrough in unifying gravity and quantum mechanics, a goal that has eluded science since Einstein's time. Although no direct violation of Lorentz symmetry has been recorded, the disturbances lie close to the theoretical boundary where such symmetry might fail. Some models suggest that at extreme energy densities, spacetime could temporarily fold or distort, leaving behind signatures similar to those now seen at CERN. Others interpret the findings through the lens of string theory and Brane cosmology, theoretical frameworks suggesting that what we call our universe might just be one layer of a far greater, multi-dimensional structure. In this view, the cosmos is not a lone island of matter and energy, but a vast ocean of higher dimensional membranes, brins, each vibrating within an unseen hyperspace. And under extreme conditions, such as those recreated inside CERN's collider, these dimensions might brush against one another, creating faint but measurable ripples in the quantum field. For decades, these ideas existed purely as mathematics, elegant, yet untouchable. But the latest data from the Large Hadron Collider may be hinting that these higher dimensions are not just theoretical shadows. They might be real, and closer than we ever imagined. Naturally, such possibilities ignite both awe and anxiety. Ever since CERN began its high-energy experiments, it has been surrounded by waves of speculation, rumors about miniature black holes, portals to other realms, even disturbances in human consciousness. Physicists have long dismissed these claims as myths born from misunderstanding. Nature itself routinely smashes cosmic rays into Earth's atmosphere at energies far greater than those achieved in the collider, and the planet remains intact. But what does make CERN's work unique is precision, the ability to shape, measure, and repeat the unimaginable. Inside the 27-kilometer ring beneath Geneva, protons accelerate to near light speed, guided by magnetic fields stronger than any found in nature. And when they collide, for a fraction of a second, the universe rewinds to its earliest moments, a recreation of the primordial fire that once birthed everything we know. The anomalies that have emerged are not random. They're reproducible, patterned, and deliberate, the signature of something consistent yet unfamiliar. It is as though, at certain energy thresholds, reality itself begins to shimmer, revealing the faint outlines of a deeper framework beneath the one we perceive. Dr. Thomas Miller, a senior researcher at CERN, described it simply. This isn't danger, it's discovery. These readings may be showing us physics beyond the Standard Model for the first time in a generation. The Standard Model has been humanity's most successful theory, a mathematical masterpiece that explains the behavior of all known particles. But it has limits. It cannot account for dark matter, dark energy, or the force of gravity at quantum scales. And that means it's incomplete, a puzzle missing its final piece. Now, these new signals may be pointing toward that missing chapter. Perhaps they are not literal rifts in spacetime, but momentary transitions, vacuum instabilities, where the quantum field briefly rearranges itself, exposing deeper strata of the universe's design. If true, this could represent a turning point, a doorway to what physicists call the new physics, a realm that connects the quantum with the cosmic, the smallest with the infinite. The discovery of radioactivity once shattered classical physics, giving birth to the quantum age. The anomalies at CERN could mark a similar moment, the beginning of a new scientific revolution, where even the structure of spacetime itself becomes a laboratory for discovery. Dr. Michio Kaku once said, "Every time we push to higher energies, the universe whispers back secrets we didn't know existed." Perhaps, these latest readings are those whispers, subtle, fragile, and profound. Not a shout, but a signal, a reminder that reality is still unfolding, still revealing itself to those bold enough to look. In the silence of CERN's tunnels, beneath layers of concrete and steel, humanity may have heard the faintest echo of creation itself, the hum of the hidden architecture that holds everything together.